What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and as some of you may know, I have been working for the past year or so on battling my hair loss, right? My B-boy bald spot. Now, this bald spot, a lot of it is due to just being directly on my head from breaking. And as I mentioned in a past video, if I had the opportunity to go see a doctor on it, I actually would. And recently, this company called Hims actually hit me up and they sent me this box. Now, prior to sending me this box, I did a little research, and Hims is actually a company that makes products for hair loss, and they actually have a doctor on hand that actually goes through your consultation and gives you products based on your needs. All right, so I actually filled out a survey, had a brief conversation with the doctor, and they actually sent me products that are supposed to be catered towards me. So I got this box, and we are gonna check out what little goodies I got. All right, I got my Hims little bag. All right, and we have 3 products. This is minoxidil. We got some multivitamins, and I think this is shampoo. What I wanted to do is actually read about it a little bit so we could kind of get a general idea what we're getting into. So minoxidil. This is actually the active ingredient in Rogaine, and as you guys know, I used Rogaine before and didn't work the best for me. So I'm gonna read this really quick. So it says minoxidil actively promotes hair growth by shedding old hairs and replacing them with new ones. Use 1 milliliter of minoxidil on the topical treatment twice a day in the affected area of the scalp. Do not wash out solution for at least 4 hours for best results. At first, you may notice that you're losing some hair. That's okay. That means that it's working. This is temporary, as old hair will soon be replaced by new, thicker hair. That actually makes a lot of sense, because when I was first using this, it was when I was using Rogaine, the brand, it was actually like I didn't notice too much difference, but I did notice my actual hairs were thicker. I didn't notice new hair growth, but that's exactly what that just says. You don't get new hair growth, it's just the old hairs become thicker. Okay, so that makes sense. The next thing they sent me is the shampoo. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's got very nice branding. So on this, let's actually read this first. It says the ingredients in the shampoo are formulated to wash away excess sebum on the scalp to make your hair appear thicker and healthier. Use the hair daily on your normal washing routine. So on this bottle, it actually says the shampoo is packed with ingredients to block DHT formation, which is the critical studies have shown DHT causes hair loss, and adds volume to your hair. In short, it helps you keep your hair on your head, if you're into that. I think I'm into that. And the third thing they sent me is gummy bears, which look delicious. It says the multivitamin, the key ingredient is B7, which is also known as biotin. Biotin is a natural hair supplement that has been proven to strengthen hair, nails, and promote healthy skin. That actually makes a lot of sense, because a lot of the shampoo that I've used and conditioners that are for healthier hair, it has biotin in it. So that makes sense that that's in this multivitamin. I wonder if it's in the shampoo too. It is also in the shampoo. Anyways, as I mentioned, this is the start of a new journey, and as you guys know, consistency is key, so this is something that I'm gonna have to keep up. If you guys would like to get your own kit, you can get your first one for $5, a month supply for just $5, using my promo code Vincanity on their website forhims.com. All right, that's only $5. That's like, honestly, $5 is like a crazy deal, because honestly, you'd spend $5 on this bottle of shampoo, probably like 10 to 15, and vitamins, you know, even more. Same thing with this stuff. This stuff's expensive too. So that's a crazy deal. If you guys want to get your first box, go ahead, pop in that promo code Vincanity on forhims.com. All right, thank you guys very much. I will get you guys an update when I see some progress. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.